guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we made it. It's 1,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to hop in here and say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your interaction and helping my channel grow. I really appreciate it. I do love making these videos and I'm glad you are enjoying watching them. So to celebrate, here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna have us a little giveaway and I'm gonna give away these 4 sets of press-ons that I made, but this is only the supplemental prize. The real prize is I am going to make you a set of your choosing. Sort of. I'll let you choose the theme, and then it is up to me and my interpretation of what that looks like. And then I will make them for you and send them to you. There will be 20 nails, that way you have all of your sizing options, and you can hopefully choose the ones that you like best. I'll let you choose the shape, and just know the length isn't going to be super long because that is just not something that I have or make, but you know, you can have medium or you can have long. Those are the choices. And then give me an idea. What kind of theme, or is it more like what kind of color family? Just whatever you want the base suggestion to be, that's what I need to know. So to enter, of course, all of the rules and instructions will be listed below, but here's the basics. You gotta be 18. You gotta be in the continental US. Unfortunately, shipping overseas is super expensive. So right now, can't do it. You gotta leave what kind of nails you would like as a comment. You also have to be subscribed with your subscriptions on public so that I can check and see them. And then I am going to use a comment picker to pull out a comment, and that will be our winner. Your comment must include the phrase enter me. So you can have other words, plenty, but it has to say enter me, and it has to say what you would want your theme to be. Then once I have picked someone, I'll make a short video to announce that winner, and then you're gonna have to reach out to me. Your choices are going to be on Instagram or TikTok or via my email associated with this YouTube channel. It is in all of my descriptions and my about and all that stuff. My links are all there. Everything to reach me is there. And so that's pretty much it. It's really hard to come up with ideas of what to give away, especially this early in the game, so I hope you like this. I did come up with this idea in collaboration with some of my other nail friends. They thought it was a good idea, and I was like, I agree. So we're doing it. But that's really it. That concludes this short video. Thank you again for everything. Make sure you are subscribed. Please do enter. Make sure you are watching my full videos because sometimes I do sneaky giveaways and I just don't tell you about it till the end of the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.